Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix resolution changing automatically in Windows 11. So first thing first, you have to launch your Task Manager. Right click onto this piece, click on Task Manager. Under here, click on Run New Task and type in msconfig, then OK. Click on Boot here, and under Boot Options, make sure Base Video is not checked. Click on OK. Now close this. Now for the next step, come below at the search bar of your PC, then type in Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. In here, you will see Display Adapters. Double click onto it and right click onto your first Display Adapters. Click on Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers and then OK. Repeat the same process if you have multiple drivers. Update, search automatically and close. Now for the last step, come below at the search bar, type in Settings. Launch your settings. Once you have launched your settings, click on Display here. Scroll below. Under Display Resolution, make sure this is set to Recommended, and under Advanced Display, make sure this is turned off. Now once it is so, you have to restart the device, and then this shall fix your problem.